Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see the candle timer in TradingView. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful tool which you can use to trade stocks, view them, track them, track their prices, their market trajectory, and so on and so forth. And it is a very useful trading tool. You can also, as I said, make trades if you're connected to a broker. As you can see on my screen, I am connected to Pepperstone, and it is very useful overall. Now, one of these options which you have is you can open up the chart and view it, as I've said. And once you open up the chart, you can also add a candle timer. Now, to actually see the candle timer, let me just change stocks, for example. To actually make this change, what you want to do is open up a chart. As you've seen, I have opened up the Apple Incorporated chart, and I can see how the prices went in the previous, what is this, like 5 months? Yeah, 5 months. And to add a candle timer, what you want to do is just go hover over the price here. Now you can change how you want this price to, in which currency you want this price to be. For example, it is currently in the US dollar. However, let me try and find the pound sterling if I can. Let's say pound. Yeah, Great British Pound. As you can see, just click on it and it'll change it by itself. And the way that you can add a candle timer is just right click on this and make sure that countdown to bar close is ticked off. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.